It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on the ZigZag overlay, a neat tool for filtering market noise. Let's begin. First, let's define what we mean by market noise. Essentially, the term refers to price and volume fluctuations that aren't reflective of true market sentiment. Dividend payments and program trading are the primary culprits here, and they can temporarily disrupt the chart pattern and confuse traders. But how can you tell what's market noise and what is true market sentiment? You need a filter, and that's what a ZigZag overlay does. As stated earlier, the ZigZag overlay filters out this so-called market noise by ignoring price movements of less than X%, and you get to define X. This makes the real directional trends of a stock easier to see. Here's an example of Microsoft's ZigZag where X equals 10%. You'll notice in early April the stock had a bit of a hiccup, but the ZigZag ignores this. That's because whenever a new high is set, the stock has to fall by 10%, our value for X, before the trend line reverses direction. Then, once it's headed down, it needs to rise by at least 10% before the line reverses to the upside. In this example, we've set X to 5%. Notice that there are many more zigzags in this example. Whichever one would work best for you is dependent on your objectives. What are the uses for the ZigZag overlay? Well, you can do back testing with rolling stop losses at a glance. This assumes that you want to lock in profits with a rolling stop loss of, say, 8%, and with the ZigZag overlay you can easily see where you would have sold. For making predictions, you can use Elliott waves or retracement lines along with Dow theory principles or Fibonacci values. These concepts are all too intricate to go into detail in this video, but may be the subject of future TradingTips.com episodes. There are some drawbacks to the ZigZag overlay. For one, it is purely a retrospective tool on its own, having no predictive power unless you use it in conjunction with Elliott waves or the retracement lines and Fibonacci values. Note that the final line on the ZigZag overlay is a work in progress. A stock doesn't need to move by X% to turn on the final line, and a pivot on that final line is not predictive. And finally, ZigZag overlays are not widely available on free sites such as Yahoo Finance. You can use ZigZag overlays for free though on sharpcharts.com. Simply go to www.sharpcharts.com and type in the stock ticker where it says Create a Chart. Use Sharp Chart from the drop-down and type the ticker in the box to the right and hit Go. And this is what you'll see. Then select ZigZag from the drop-down of technical overlays and put your X percentage value, 5, 8, 10, 15, whatever you want, in the parameters box. You can add additional technical overlays in the boxes below, including ZigZag retracements. Then you can use the chart to filter noise, backtest, or, in conjunction with Elliott waves, Dow theory, and Fibonacci values, make predictions on where the stock is headed. Good luck! We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter on the ZigZag overlay. Thanks for watching and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Bacchus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit TradingTips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting TradingTips.com.